Good morning, everybody. Today is August 20th, 2024. And hold on one second. Let me mute this thing. Okay. As I was saying, today is August 20th, 2024. And we keep making new highs. This market is on low volume. It keeps going up, leaving very poor structure. Keep leaving single prints, not finding balance, just grinding higher. Traders are already eyeing all-time highs, which are pretty close, 100 points away on ES. And but the thing is that my concern is that we're getting there way too fast on summer trading volume, and we're leaving a lot of poor structure below. So I think at one point we're gonna get a little bit of a pullback and repair some of this. We have a bunch of single prints below us. Yesterday we left 3 sets of single prints on ES. We left some before. We have a couple gaps below. We have one here. We have another one here. And we literally had 0 pullbacks. And keep holding above the previous session's highs. So for today, it's not going to be any different. I'm going to see how we react to the previous day's range. In the case we pull back, I'm looking for half back and the previous week's high to hold. You can see it in the larger time frame that the 5 point of control, the 5-day point of control is right below the previous week's high at 55.74. I'm sorry, 55.79. So if we pull back, I'm looking for this to hold and then bounce and keep looking for new highs. The market is waiting for Powell to speak on Friday, so until then I think we're gonna have a lot of chop, a lot of back and forth, and if we keep moving higher, it's gonna be grinding higher. Also, you can see on the overnight session that these red bars right here that show a lot of absorption of the sellers at the lows. So all this, every time there's sellers, they keep being absorbed by passive buyers, and you can see this over and over. And so if we stay above yesterday's high, I'm looking for this 2 highs to be taken, and then an attempt to fill the gap at 56.90. Then we have this untested point of control. Excuse me. And then from there, it's all-time highs and then price discovery. I mean, we really don't have any references, and but I do know that here, last time we were up here, we could not really agree on where value was. We tried holding here. We kept moving higher, overlapping value higher, but we couldn't really accept prices here. Then we had a sudden drop. So maybe before we make new highs, maybe we try to accept prices here. Or right now what's happening is that we have some value below, so maybe we come back into the 55.79 area before we make all-time highs. If I should say we make all-time highs. We never know what's going to happen, but current value is below and we have poor structure, so it wouldn't surprise me to see some kind of pullback soon and to repair that structure. And Q has a very clear magnet here at 1970. That was the 90-day point of control. And then another one right here at 580, 19,580. And then above that, this one right here at 640, 630. And then all-time highs is up here in the almost 21,000. Crude oil, after failing to hold above, we looked above and failed, came back to the bottom of the range, filled the gap, and now it's found buyers and it's moving back into this area. There's some resistance here at 74.60. If we get above that, then we probably tag again that point of control, but we left this, we had yesterday this drop and left some single prints there, so there's gonna be some sellers here. So it might take a while to resolve and go back to the point of control. So far we've been one time framing down, so watch for that. Watch for maybe an attempt to move into this area and then a rejection and then moving back to the 5-day point of control, which is right here. We're sitting right at it at 73.71. And then if we are able to get below the overnight range, then look for this level right here, 72.40, which is the point of control from this session on the 6th of August. All right, gold, after breaking above that range, came back, retested this previous highs and found support, broke back above the range, and now is in price exploration mode. And like I said before, my target is gonna be here at 26.74, which is what I got from doubling this range. So right now there's really, as long as this level holds right here, the 25.36, as long as this holds, then the move is higher. We have some Fed speaking today, 1 p.m., 1:30 and at 2:45. And then tomorrow we have FOMC meeting minutes, and then the next day we have the whole Jackson Hole. That's, oh, excuse me. Oh, sorry, on Friday Powell speaking at Jackson Hole. So that could be a little crazy. Usually when that happens, when we have Jackson Hole, this price gets a little, we get some volatility. So keep an eye on that. All right, good luck.